So now let's build a beautiful chat application GUI for our chatbot, and then later we are going to build custom chatbots in Flutter and also explore other features of DeepSeek. So in this lecture we are going to start building a professional GUI, and we are going to start with this bottom bar. So right now you can see we got a text field and this icon button here. So now we are going to improve their look. So you can go to your build method, and there you can see this row widget is actually containing both text field and icon button. So firstly what we are going to do is to wrap this row widget inside a card widget. So select this row widget and press Alt plus enter. After that select wrap with widget and then apply a card widget here. So type card and card will be added. Now press Ctrl S. And there you can see the background of this bottom bar is changed, and it is also bit circular. So what we can do is to zoom in a little so that we can see changes clearly. So there you can see this card is applied here. So now after applying this card we want to make it circular, and to do that we can set a shape property of this card widget. So shape, and the shape which we are going to use is rounded rectangle border, and inside it we can set the border radius property, and then we can set the value using border radius class. So border radius dot circular, and here we can apply a radius of like 50. So now press Ctrl S, and now you can see it is more rounded on the edges and it is looking much better. Similarly we want to hide this line of text field because it is not looking good. So to hide this line we can go to the decoration property of this text field. But before that let's format our code, and then inside this input decoration we can set the border, and here we are going to choose input border dot none because we don't want to show this line, so we want to remove it. And if you will press Ctrl S, you can notice that that line is gone. So now after applying these changes we want to apply some space between this text and the border of this card widget, and we can do that by applying some padding on this row widget. So what you can do is to apply a padding around this row widget, and then we are going to use this edge inserts dot only because we only want to apply the padding to the left and to the right side, and this all will gonna apply the padding on all sides. So here we can set the left padding to like 15, and then we can set the right padding to 15 as well. And now press Ctrl S, and there you can see the padding is applied and this text is separated from the border of this card widget. Similarly you can notice that this card widget is too attached with the bottom. So we want to apply some padding or some margin to the bottom and also to the left and right side. And to do that we can set the margin property for this card widget, and here we can use edge inserts class, and then we can set a padding on all sides. So let's use a padding of 15 for now. So press Ctrl S, and there you can see now it is separated from the edges and looking much better. Similarly you can notice that the color of this card is not white, so we can set the color property of this card and select the white color. Similarly you can use any color that you like, and now press Ctrl S, and there you can see card is now white and it is looking much better. Similarly you can notice we also got this icon button here, and here if you want you can apply any color that you like in our case we are going to make it green. So here I will gonna set the color property for this icon. So colors dot green, and then press Ctrl S, and there you can see now this button is green and it is looking better. Similarly, as we have made our top bar or app bar purple, so we can use the same purple color here to have a uniform color scheme. So press Ctrl S, and now you can see it is matching with the app bar and looking even better. So now after working on the GUI of this bottom bar, the next thing is building a professional chat application GUI where we are going to display our sent queries or the answers of DeepSeek just like a normal chat application, and we are going to do that inside our next lecture. So see you in the next lecture.